Morning people, it's about 8:30 in the morning and 20 degrees already, and it's meant to be like 29 today and I think highs of 31 tomorrow, which is absolutely crazy. I mean, it was only 2 weeks ago that we had snow. And I was out the back, and just for a laugh, to show how stupid it was, I built a 1 foot snowman on the back of my table. But anyway, let me just show you. It shows you the weather for the next few days. I don't know if you can see that. Hold up. That's it. Yeah, the sun's. I have to move around because otherwise the sun's reflecting on it. Anyway. So that's that. So we've got some lovely weather coming in for the next few days. Me and my mate are going to go out and play some golf because he's off, so that'll be nice. I'll be able to use my new golf membership that took me about a month and a half to get. So we can stop moaning about that now. Anyway, yeah, yesterday I've done some testing on the Aferiy P280 because I wanted to see how much my 9 kilo Bosch Logixx washing machine was drawing. I wanted to see how much power it was drawing all through the cycle and how much battery it would use in close to 1 hour. So I don't know, I think the battery started on 95% and we've done a quick 20-minute wash cycle, and I think the battery went down to about 70% or something like that. It might have been 78, but anyway, when I decided to finally do another video, the battery was on about 70% just to make it easy. So yeah, I put it on an hour cycle and from an hour down to, I think it had about, yeah, I think for about, let's just say for half an hour it was running at 1900 watts for about 30 minutes. And then it done some sort of like wash rinse cycle for a couple of minutes, and it was drawing sort of 400 watts. And then it moved on to another part of the cycle and it went back up to 1900 watts or thereabout. And then as I was watching it, I think, what was it, from about 30, I think it had 30 minutes left, and it went to 70 watts, and then that continued at around 70 watts odd, down to 7 minutes left. And then yeah, for the final 7 minutes it was sort of kept going backwards and forwards at 70, 100 watts, then it was like 400 watts for a couple of seconds and then back down. Anyway, the last 7 minutes of the cycle it was on and off, and it didn't really draw too much at all. It was like, I think because it kept going forwards, backwards, stopping, and I just, yeah. So it was sort of, let's just say it was 70 to 400 watts in that 7 minutes. But anyway, so anyway, my findings were, after all that, my findings were that it used 30% of the Afreiy battery in close to 1 hour. So let's just show you on my other screen. My screenshots of the battery in certain areas of the wash cycle, just for reference really, just so you can like see the times where the battery was at. And if you look closely at the bottom of the actual screen, the black bit, you can see how many watts it was drawing. But anyway, I'm walking along with a dog, so it's a bit up and down, and this is the only way I can show you at the moment. So yeah, there you go. That's my findings for the how much a washing machine draws. And to be honest, to do from 95% battery on the Aferiy P280 to do a 20-minute wash, and then straight after do an hour and 3 minutes wash, and then at the end of it still have 40% battery left, is pretty amazing, to be honest. So in that aspect, I'm impressed with it. And what I'm probably going to do is just get an extension battery, just so I've got more power, or more battery, let's say, for them cloudy days. So yeah, plenty of solar for today. Oh, that was another thing I was going to say. While I was doing the tests, it was getting close to sort of 40%, and I still had sort of 10 minutes left, and I was thinking, oh, what happens if if the battery runs out and I'm still sort of 3/4 of the way through the cycle? And I thought, do you know what I could do is just pause the washing machine, turn on the AC charging, charge the battery up from the solar or from my EcoFlow Stream Ultra X, charge the battery up like, I don't know, 20%, and then just turn the washing machine back on so it finishes the cycle. Anyway, it never got to that, so it's all good. But no, that was just a thought that come into my head, how to get round it, you know, because we've still got this stupid UPS system thing that like just cuts in when you don't want it to, when the Aferiy's plugged into the mains. Yeah, we're still trying to get our head around all that, and like why it bypassed all my settings when it was plugged into the mains and things like that. It's all, yeah, that side of it's all just a bit weird, but there you go. So let's just have a look around. Yeah, look, not a cloud in the sky. What a beautiful morning, should we say? Yeah, and it's going to be a glorious day. So we're just starting this journey with the solar, and yeah, just starting this journey with the solar, and I hope you can all subscribe and like come on a journey with me. And if you've got any comments or need any help, then let me know. Right, over and out.